What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to episode 2 of Buy Sell Money. In today's episode we are going to resume where we left off in taking off those front forks. Basically last time I did not have a 12-minute Allen key, so I had to go on the internet and find one. 3 days later it arrived, and after I finished last episode we're back now to start again. I've also ordered some paint, so hopefully next week it should arrive. In one of the Facebook forums a guy had used it on his tailpiece and it looked pretty good, so I've just copied the one he's gone for. I've noticed as well, because this bike doesn't actually have a belly on it, then it's kind of going to be exposed, so stuff like this, the rust on the radiator, you know, it's going to be visible. So I've got to figure out a way of doing my best to touch it up, and I'm going to double make sure that today's episode, the GoPro, is in the right place, because last episode was garbage angle, man.
Oh shit, here we go again.
Stupid! Let's just see if we can get this off, right? Oh, that was easy. Dude. That's what happens when you eat your Weetabix, kids. Come on. Ah, you fuck. Jeez. Now that you know how my eyes be. Oh my god. Would you look at me, master mechanic? I took a wheel off. First time ever. Why does this not come out? This is... Am I stupid, or is this mudguard supposed to be stuck? Like... Who invented this? Like, why is there a rectangle thing on? That's not OEM, is it? That was way harder than it should have been. Now you can see the damage. Look at this. Now this should be able to come out. Yep, there we go. Slight change of plans in that. Didn't have to take the forks off. That was kind of pointless. They're going to go back on. Going to put the top yoke on and wire up the ignition system. Hopefully we can get this thing started. Oh shit. What's happening tomorrow? Hopefully the guy I bought the bike off, Mr. Roy_Connor, he's going to bring over the side stand that did not come with the bike at the time. Because it's got a sensor, it needs to, the thing knows if it's not connected. So yeah, as you can see down here, hopefully that needs to be connected for the ignition to start. So yoke has to go back on, everything has to be rewired. Gonna fit the sparks back in, put the battery back in, get the fuel tank wired up, and hopefully tomorrow we'll have a running bike. Imagine that. Not too hopeful though. The bike's not been started in what, 3 years, and it's got carbs, so who knows. Back to work. Oh my god, you're a Mongol. Put them the wrong way. Right, so the forks are on the right way around, finally, so we can get the top yoke put back on. Well, the new one. The one that comes with an ignition. Full set ignition, fuel cap, other keys for the rear as well. Like, I got this as well. Like, how the heck do you manage to snap the seat key? Mad. Anyway. Oh yes, he's got all 4 caps. What a legend. That's what it should look like underneath. Garbage. Look how much better that looks already. Am I overhyping this? Like, fuck. That's exactly what I didn't want to happen, but thank fuck I've not lost anything. That was jammy as hell. Wait. Fuck. Well, at least I know the steering lock works, that's boss. Well, I think I might have just fucked myself. All the things for the handlebars are on the wrong side. I don't think they'll fit back through this base. Yeah, no, I'm gonna have to take this back off. No. I hate my life. Ugh. Got everything on the right side now. Banging. Problem is now, I have to try and figure out how this stupid choke went on.
Two hours later.
Yeah, that's actually kind of hard to put back the choke on, but done now. It works, so that's good. Oh, I hate this, man. Throttle has to go on the right side. Oh, I'm triggered. Take stuff off, put stuff on, take it back off. What the fuck? See, this spark plug looks pretty good. Doesn't look like it's kind of new, you know? Yo, that is the tightest gap. What the heck, man? Okay, so a decent amount of work has been done today. We managed to get top yoke back on, the handlebars are all sorted again, back to how they should be-ish. This is all back on, the choke's working again. With the exception of this, I'm missing screws, so I can't get this cover on. Since I've got the new top yoke on, it comes with a new set of keys. You can switch this out. Also, I don't know what this one's for at the moment, but also this one at the back here. This one was broken, so this needs changed to be able to get the seat back off. Got the other parts here. New keys, new locks. Got a bit of a cleaner opener as well, the one on top here. It's looking a bit tired. Get that changed as well. Nice.
taken that off?
Got a new one.
Oh,
It's better. You gave me everything.
sad to see.
One thing is, like, the spring on this looks a bit gone. I don't like the sound of this. This sounds really rusty. I'm still sure this fuel cap's not going to come off. Well guys, that's going to have to be the end of today's shenanigans with this bike. Things out of my control. That one bolt at the back, the one screw at the back was just rounding off. The fuel cap as well, I don't know, I can't even open the lid to get that one bolt out that's holding it in. Raging, but whatever man. On to the next day. Tell me what you think about these kinds of videos. Am I doing them right? Are they entertaining? Do you get bored? Did you make it this far in? If you did, then you're a legend. Don't forget to leave a like down below. Subscribe for part 3. What else? Peace.